How to fix Android package installer not working. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to fix issues with the Android package installer. The package installer is crucial for installing apps and updates on your Android device. If it's not working properly, you may be unable to download or update apps from the Google Play Store or other sources, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, I will guide you through some simple steps to resolve this issue. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Once you are on the settings, scroll down and tap on Application. Next, look for the filter and sort icon in that section. Tap on it and enable the option to show system apps. Then press OK. Now, tap the search button in the top right corner and type in package installer and hit the search. Select package installer from the results to go to its app info page. On this page, start by tapping Force Stop. This will stop any ongoing process that might be causing issues. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Storage. From there, select Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear and tap Delete to confirm. Once you have cleared the data, restart your device by holding down the power button until a menu appears. Then select Restart. After your device restarts, check the problem has been resolved. If you are still having trouble with app installation, ensure that you are using the latest version of Android available for your device. And that's wrap up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please leave them in the comment section below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.